Welcome back, guys. So today's video is inspired by another YouTuber by the name of Yaya, and in today's video I am going to be making hair conditioner. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and thanks for watching. So I'm going to be using sorrel, also known as hibiscus leaves, Jamaican sorrel, roselle, and also Caribbean sorrel, and it is rich in vitamin C. It helps to treat baldness and it helps with dry hair. So when you're drinking your sorrel this year, remember to put some in your hair as well. So the next ingredient is marshmallow root, and this helps with giving the product slip as well as detangling. It helps to give your hair shine and it helps with a dry scalp. Moving on, we have slippery elm, which is rich in amino acids. It encourages hair growth and helps your hair to be healthy and strong. And you know we love fenugreek powder on this channel, so I'm going to be using some fenugreek powder, which helps with hair growth and hair loss as well. Next, I'm going to place my oils into a beaker, and I'm going to be placing some coconut oil, some jojoba oil, some shea butter, and my BTMS 50. BTMS helps to combine the water and the oil in the product. BTMS is an excellent conditioner and emulsifier for your hair and your skin. Check the description box for the ingredients. So now I am going to strain my sorrel mixture using a cheesecloth, and I don't want any grit to get into my hair product, so I'm gonna make sure that I strain this as thoroughly as possible. And I just love the aroma of sorrel as well as the rich red color that you naturally get from the sorrel plant. I also can't wait to try this conditioner in my hair. So make sure that you're very cautious while handling this very hot mixture. And when I am finished straining with my cheesecloth, I am going to be adding glycerine, which is a natural humectant, and I've been using glycerine since my hair was relaxed. It always made my hair really nice and soft every time I did a deep condition. And now I want to make sure that the oils and the water mixtures are the same temperature, and then I am going to combine the both. Make sure that you do this as quickly as possible because the BTMS tends to solidify really quickly. So if you have a hand blender or emulsion blender, go ahead and use that. I don't have one and I hope to get one for my Christmas, so I am going to use my hand blender and combine the two liquids. As I said, I'm not a professional, so this is a really interesting experiment for me as well, and I really couldn't wait to see how this turned out, and I was really pleased with the final product, as you would see at the end. So I'm gonna keep whisking, beating, whisking until it gets to the consistency that I want. I want it to be nice and smooth and as thick as possible. Now in Yaya's video she used xanthan gum. I think it was xanthan gum, and I don't have xanthan gum, I have guar gum, but I'm not going to be using that at all. I just want to see if it will thicken up on its own. And so far I really love this consistency. It looks like frosting, sorrel frosting, sorrel hibiscus frosting. While my conditioner was cooling down, I used Optiphen Plus as my preservative. I made sure that I took some of the conditioner out, added the preservative to see how it would work together, and it did not make my product separate or act strange or destabilize as they say. And I just added everything together, whipped it one more time, and then I'm adding it to my container. So guys, this is the final product. I am very pleased and I can't wait to use this in my hair on my wash day. So thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.